All right, YouTube, we're back. We're taking a look at the Jordan 1 Palomino. What even happened to the ones? I mean, they came, they went, and now nobody cares about them. I guess it's all about the pandas these days. Yeah, man, these are pretty cool. Let's take a look at the upper. With regular fashion, we have our Jordan 1 Nike swoosh right up the center. Black on brown, or bread, if you will, the other bread. Yo, these days, I'm just thinking about getting me some Angelus paint, buying a one Jordan 1, and just repainting it to every color as I see fit. This is getting crazy. I don't need 100 pairs of ones. I ain't got nowhere to put this shit. Obviously, these are a retake on the Jordan Travis Scott, you know, the whole Travis Scott wave. Everybody's about the Travis Scotts, but you know, these ain't the Travis Scotts. Everybody and their mama wants a brown sneaker or a brown Jordan with it. But these are a close consolation, I'm not gonna lie. And if you guys like the royal color blocking as opposed to the blockings with the white in it, these are perfect for you. It almost looks like leather, and as you can tell here, this thing is a freaking scratch magnet. You know what I mean? It ain't gonna take long for these to get scuffed up, boys. Sorry. But if you're into that dad leather look, these are perfect for you, man. Yeah, these give me dad's old leather jacket vibes, not gonna lie. These remind me of my uncle's wallet. I don't know, it just is what it is. Love the details, and the embossing on this is amazing. Jordan Wing brand here on the upper, and this really does feel like, you know, it is nubuck, but as everybody's talking about in their other reviews that I've watched, it is a very weird texture. It's almost like it doesn't move like nubuck, but it really does feel somewhere between like a nubuck and like a matted leather or something like that. The scratch resistance on this is little to none. These are definitely a shoe that's going to be worn, to be beaten in and abused, and it's gonna have some character when it's done. Sail midsole here, cup sole, you know, there's air in there, but you ain't gonna feel it, that's for sure. Obviously standard stitching, and everything's looking clean. Quality materials here. Toe box also has that matted kind of a look to it. It's really hard to describe if you don't have it in hand, but you guys should definitely check it out. The materials on the leather here are definitely quality. Craftsmanship here is actually pretty good. The stitching is all clean. Don't have a lot of fraying or anything like that. Now obviously we're missing something on the back here. If you guys, you know, for the Travis Scott fans, you guys know, I was actually shocked when I went to go pick these up from Foot Locker. There was no line. I'm really a fan of this colorway. A lot of people didn't rate this colorway, even though, you know, like, it just is what it is. It's a grown-ass man shoe. What do you expect? I know the young boys don't appreciate this shoe. It is what it is. This is an old head shoe, fam. I'm not about all this Travis Scott wave, stand up, line up, do this, order online, but no, I got these. I went to the store, they were sitting there. I was just early. Thank God, man. Looks like we about to turn the corner. Looks like shoes is getting real copyable these days. See you later, resellers. Gold Nike Air hang tab on the tongue, and a lot of people don't like this, but I personally think it's fire. Still adds a little bit of a pop to the shoe. Unfortunately, these did not come with an extra pair of laces. Obviously we have the golden Nike Air symbol on the inside. You know, you got your, you know, shoe stuffing, stuffed up booty. But anyways, yeah, it only comes with black laces, unfortunately. I wish it did come with maybe like a white pair of laces or even a yellow pair of laces or something to make these pop. I haven't reviewed anything in a while because I haven't seen anything that I even remotely wanted. Yeah, there hasn't been too many drops I've been excited about recently, and I think it's just because the Jordan 1 market's been completely saturated. Maybe that's the case. Maybe they released too many Jordan 1s within the last 2 years. Come on, Nike. Slow down, man. As you guys can see here at the back, very symmetrical, and it does look like almost like, you know, those like burlap bags, some khaki kind of canvas bags that some of them hipsters be carrying around. These remind me of those for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, man, high tops over mids and lows, obviously all day. And yeah, it's nothing that you haven't seen before. I do like the brown on this outsole. Obviously we have our cup sole traction, which is a very good traction. Not much in the, you know, way of midsole tech, but you know, obviously it's still a very effective traction pattern. To be honest with you, yeah, I do like the sail. This isn't a fully white, this is like a creamy white sail color on this. I don't know, I'm a big fan of these. What do you guys think of these in the comment section? Did you guys cop? Did you miss out? Because they did sell out online pretty quickly, surprisingly. Now, one other thing that was pretty interesting here was the box. I'm gonna go grab that real quick. Now, they really did a good job on the box here. This is a sign of things to come. Scuff on the box, by the way. But black on gold, reflective box. Nothing special on the inside, just your regular paper, but reminds me of the LeBron 17 boxes that had the gold flake kind of design on it. Really cool stuff. Now, I would highly suggest, obviously, that you guys go true to size with these, or half the size up if you guys have wide feet, just to give yourself a little bit extra room till they break in. Obviously, you can run some shoe shields or shoe protectors in these. I'm going to be doing a Crep Protect video very shortly. Obviously, I did the shoe shields, and that was one of the best videos on my channel, so we're going to be reviewing those, maybe with these. I don't know, I'm not 100% sure yet, but let me know in the comment section what you guys think of the Jordan 1 Palomino. Did you cop? Did you not? Did you get them for your pops? You know, did you let them sit? These are going to be highly coveted a little bit down the line because of how badly they scuff. Once everybody dusts them off and busts them up, some of these are going to be going for some crazy resale, I guarantee you. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Hit the like, subscribe button. You already know, best content on YouTube, baby. I'm back like I left my fucking car keys on foot. Coming up next.